My goal as a periodontist is to save your teeth, but if you can't, dental implants are a great option. With dental implants, one of the things that we can do is take a 3D scan to look at exactly where this implant's going to go. So we're replacing teeth, and dental implants are the perfect way to replace those teeth naturally, but we got to see what's available in order for us to even place those. So that CT scan or a 3D scan will give us a couple things. It'll give us the volume, the height, the width of the bone, the quality of the bone, things that we can really determine what's going to be the best option for you long term. So once a dental implant, you're a candidate for that implant, that the implant is placed in the bone, and we have to give it a little bit of time for that to heal, typically a 3 to 4 month period. Once the implant heals, then we can go ahead and put a crown or a restoration on top of that implant, usually done with your general dentist. Some of the options for replacing a tooth would be one, nothing. So we lose a tooth, you can leave a blank space there. Not a great option. Teeth will shift around, your bite will be altered, not a great option. The other option would be a fixed bridge, where we have to shave the teeth down on each side and literally bridge the two teeth together with that missing tooth. It's a pretty good option for some circumstances, but not the best long-term solution. A dental implant is definitely the best thing for you. The key benefits when you do get a dental implant would definitely be the functionality of a natural tooth. It's going to look like a natural tooth. It's going to be a tooth that doesn't even look like it's been replaced before. One of the things as a periodontist is that I specialize in dental implants. We place a lot of implants every year. And so one of the things that we do is we make sure we go through every single step to make sure that we not only place the implant in the correct way, but it's going to be the best long-term solution for you. Hopefully have that implant for the rest of your life. And so with the technology in which we endorse, in which we have CT scans, guided surgery, immediate bone placement, things that bone grafting procedures, things that can make sure that that implant's going to last you the rest of your life, those are things that we take pride in and we do every day.